Welcome back. I'm your host, Michelle Sherrill. These past episodes, we've been discussing a lot about man's impact on our planet through pollution. But how does outer space impact us? With everything considered, this planet has been the perfect place to support life. But what if we need to expand our growing population or have to leave Earth altogether? For this episode, we spoke with a professor of astronomy to answer these questions.
Scientists are really excited about the possibility of what we call creating bioatmospheres on the planet Mars. We've actually done some of that experimentation here in the States in a couple of biospheres, just testing what it would be like to try to grow plants within one of these spheres, and as well extract minerals and water from the planet on which we could then grow, create oxygen, create water, and basically make our own food. There are several opinions towards the possible origins of life. Some people think that perhaps there was life on Mars, and through an asteroid impact it knocked some material off that perhaps came to Earth. I think the generally recognized idea is that life actually came from the many comets that seemed to be flying through the solar system in the beginning that carried many of the amino acids and water and the things that are necessary for life. So we're now kind of thinking that life came to us in a comet. It would be hard to imagine Earth without a moon. For example, we wouldn't have tides. We wouldn't have the waves. Surfers would be out of luck. They'd have nothing they could do. Many of the animals wouldn't know what to do because they have what we call lunar cycles. And quite frankly, the moon has historically been very important because of light pollution and cities and things. We don't tend to look up and notice that universe that's out there has so much more than we might have right here where we live, here on Earth. And I think that we don't take the time to think about the fact that we're just another life form, and perhaps someday when we do find some life forms on other planets, once again we'll say we were wrong.
We sure did learn a lot today. In fact, we've learned a lot over the course of this series. The main thing that should be taken from When Nature Calls is that nature is always changing. There are many factors that affect nature. We are one of the biggest factors. Maybe one day we can move to another planet. However, our mistakes here will be mistakes there as well. But for now, this is the only planet we got. For over 4 billion years, our planet has been rotating and orbiting the sun. Together, we can keep things rolling.